We now start on the trickier simultaneous equations, number 6. And the equations are x plus y plus z is 3, x squared plus y squared plus z squared is also 3, and x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed is 6. So I'm going to let x, y, and z be the roots of the cubic equation t cubed plus at squared plus bt plus c equals 0. Now, a is the negative of the root sum being x plus y plus z, and so is equal to minus 3. So I've recorded that here as a being equal to minus 3 in that box. Next, I've squared the sum of the roots, x plus y plus z, and because that's equal to 3, we'll get the following equation: 9 equals x plus y plus z all squared, which when you multiply it out is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus twice bracket xy plus yz plus zx. The x squared plus y squared plus z squared is given as 3, and xy plus y plus yz plus z squared is, from the theory of equations, the coefficient of t, in other words, b. So we end up with 9 equal to 3 plus 2b, from which we can easily see that b is equal to 3. Right, now I can write out the equation with its roots, x, y, and z, 3 times, like x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 3 equals 0, and then it's the same for y and the same for z, and add them up. And in that truncated form, we'd have the sum of the cubes, which is sigma t cubed, plus a times sigma t squared, plus b times sigma t, plus 3c. 3 because there were 3 equations and we counted the c 3 times. So we're down to here now. So t cubed we're given is a 6. The a was minus 3 and the t squared is 3, so we get minus 3 times 3. And b we've discovered was 3, and the sum of the roots was 3, so that's 3 times 3 again, and then plus 3c equals 0. So from this, we can easily see that c is equal to minus 2. And so x, y, and z are the roots of the equation t cubed minus 3t squared plus 3t minus 2 equals 0. Now, if we set t equal to 0, that will reduce the left-hand side to 0. So t equals 2 is a root of the equation, and t minus 2 is therefore a factor of t cubed minus 3t squared plus 3t minus 2. So I've done a bit of synthetic division here to find what the other factor of the equation is. So we've got 1 into 1 goes once, then that's the divisor. This is the multiplier. 2 times 1 is 2, added to minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, added to 3 is 1. And 2 times 1 is 2, added to minus 2 is 0. So t squared minus t plus 1 is the other factor. And so from the equation t squared minus t plus 1 equals 0, we easily get the using the theory of the quadratic equation formula, t equals 1 plus or minus square root 1 minus 4 over 2, and that's equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3 over 2. And so x, y, and z are 2, 1 plus I root 3 over 2, and 1 minus I root 3 over 2, in whatever permutation you like. So that solves our little equation. And thank you very much for listening.